We have started it here, Nana. Science. What is this, Nana? Science. We have started here. Before for is the first day of my class. So science. Science is nothing but a simply it is the study of the study of world, the study of the world through observations, and experiments. So science is nothing but a what is called science. From where we have started in our physics first year. So in our NSE e-learning classes, the first topic is science. What is science? Science is nothing but the study of world through observations and so many observations and experiments. So that is called simply science. And this science also classified into some three different particular regions, particular parts. First one is simply physical science, and the second one is biological science, and the third one is social science. Right, Nana? Just today we are going to start another new topic. The topic is in under which it comes under which topic under the science. For that purpose only, I am starting from. I am going to discuss from starting onwards. Right? Science. Science is nothing but the study of the world through observations and experiments. At this point, we have started, Nana. Yes, from this point only, we have started the NSE e-learning classes. So science is nothing but so this science is also classified into different parts. Nana. In the ancient days, it is very small part. That's why one can learn this entire science by the one person, single person. So some small parts are there. By so many observations, so many experiments, then it will be extended. It was enlarged, Nana. So it was extended. It becomes a very large subject. So now this science also, that's why this science again, depending upon some situations, depending upon some conditions, some properties, some interest of the learner. So this entire science was classified into three different parts. So physical science, first part is physical science, Nana. So this physical science is nothing but simply which explains about the matter and energy, Nana. Which explains about the matter and energy. How can the matter, formation of matter, and due to that matter we are getting some energies. So this entire process, what is the relation between the matter and energy, how we are getting energy, why we are studying about matter, and why we are studying about energy. So entire all those things we can discuss under this physical science, Nana. Now biological science is nothing but simply it is about living things, Nana. It explains about the living things. So those living things is nothing but simply there are two different things, Nana. Living things. One is plants and animals. Plants and animals. Yes, animals. Plants and animals. Now, human being is not there, na? Tell me, Nana. Human being is not there, na?
Human being is also an animal.
There, sir.
Human being is also an animal. Right, Nana? So, but because we are a social animal. One name is there, Nana. Social animal. So, to discuss about all those to discuss about the living things, one part is designed, that one branch is designed, that is biological science. Now under social science, third part is social science. Social science is nothing but which tells about the society. Just simply it is giving explanation about the society, Nana. So now this society, how to manage the society, how to rule the society, like that simply there are different issues. So mainly it was divided into four different parts, Nana, four different regions, four different aspects. So those four are the simply one is some background, past, how it is, our world is, how the world was in the ancient days, how was the world. So now in the next, that is given by simply history. Yes. Now after that, how to rule the world, how to rule the people, administration purpose, that given by civics na. And suppose how to, then after that, economic related issues, that can given by this one. So history, civics, economics, and geography, about the climate, about the regions, and surroundings, borders, like that, some what is there at particular place, what is going on at particular place, that is given by geography nana. This is a particular area. Plants, about plants, we are getting some given by, this is given by, this explanation is given by botany nana. Botany botany this, about the animals, is given by zoology. About the animals is given by zoology nana. So these things are, I'm not interesting about these things, because I was the science faculty, physical science especially, I was the physical science faculty. That's why I'm going to discuss about the physical science nana. So I'm taking again this one. So under the science, what is the main role of the physical science, and what is going on nowadays, the experiments, observations, studies, and about the matter and energy is my main interest now, because I was the physical science faculty. These things we have discussed in the introduction classes, Nana, but so many members are not there in the introduction classes. That's why I am giving again, and a new topic also I'm going to start, Nana. So under the science, what is going on, what is discussing, just my interest is physical science. Under the science, just we are going to discuss some physical science, Nana. So that physical science, under that physical science is nothing but simply about matter and energy. So yes, the physical science also, it is in the ancient days, it is also very small part. That's why it is up to 10th class level, up to 8th class level, it is common part, or 10th class, up to 10th class also it is common part for all. So that's why it is simply single subject. Now after some days, or after a few years completed, then automatically this physical science also classified into two different branches. One is physics, and another one is chemistry now. So why they have divided like that? Because physics, this matter has some two different properties now. Matter has yes, this branch enough. So this branch deals with the physics, explains about the physical properties of the matter and energy, and chemical properties of the matter and energy explained by the chemistry. But I am the physicist, so that's why my interest is going to discuss about the physics, Nana, right? So I'm not, I have not an interest on the chemistry. Just I'm going to discuss about the physics. So under the physical science, simply I'm going to discuss about the physics. All these things we have completed, Nana, just for our recalling, all those things. So about matter and energy. Now just under this, I'm discussing about physics topic, Nana. Physics subject I am discussing about it. Under this physics is nothing but simply it explains about the nature or physical properties of the matter and energy. Simply in our books, that it will be in so many by the so many authors, we are getting this as the nature and its phenomena. It's a natural phenomena. Yes. So it explains about the nature and its natural phenomena. But the actual meaning of this physics is nothing but simply physical properties of matter and energy. Under this, there are 5 different branches, Nana. Yes, first part is mathematical tools. second branch is mechanics. Third branch is thermal physics. Fifth one is optics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is optics. Fifth one is electricity and magnetism. Electricity and magnetism. And sixth, this is actually not a particular branch, not helpful to all the 5 branches. So the last branch is simply modern physics. Modern physics, right? Mathematical tools, mechanics, thermal physics, optics, electricity and magnetism, modern physics. Actually, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are the very important actual branches of the physics. This mathematical tools is the helpful topic, helpful chapter for all those things. So, yes, in our first year physics, this is the syllabus now. So, I'm not going to discuss about these things. Yes, in our first year syllabus, these are the main topics. In our first year syllabus, there is a main topics under the first year: mathematical tools, mechanics, thermal physics. It is enough, Nana. So under this, I have just thermal physics. It is giving simply temperature related, heat related topics. So this is also I am not discussing. I have not discussed and I am not discussing. After completion of these things only, I want to discuss, Nana. Mathematical tools, mechanics. Without the mathematical tools, we can't do anything, Nana. Right? So now, yes, mechanics. I have started already mechanics. Actually, everyone are thinking like this. After completion of mathematical tools only, they can start the mechanics generally. But by doing this one, this mathematical tools chapter is completely designed for to apply the mathematics under the physics, Nana. So that is the main thing. That's why just I have discussed directly. I have started this mechanics, right? Directly I have started the mechanics, and where we are getting where there is a requirement of this mathematical tools. Suppose differentiation. Under this mathematical tools, there are 6 chapters. No. First one, functions. Second one, functions. First part is functions. Second one is binomial expansion. Under that only binomial expansion. Differentiation. And third one is integration. Fourth one is vectors. Fifth one is vectors, matrices, all those things. And the next logarithms. And sixth one is logarithms and matrices. All are comes under one chapter, matrices. And geometry, total geometry. So these are the different branches under the mathematical tools. Functions, just now quadratic equation like that, f of x, f of t, f of v, f of y, like that we have discussed. I'm not going into detailed discussion about this one. At where, suppose at here also we are using applications of differentiation for any function. For that purpose only we have to be. For that purpose only, we must learn these functions, about this function, Nana. So, differentiation, yes, I explained differentiation under the mechanics. Yeah, under the mechanics, there are 3 different branches, Nana. One is statics, another one is kinematics, another one is dynamics. Right, Nana? Statics, kinematics, dynamics. I have started this topic, Nana, kinematics. Under this kinematics also, there are 1D motion, 2D motion and 3D motion. Just our first class. So, yes, the kinematics. Under the kinematics, 1D motion I have explained. I was explained successfully, Nana. Just one topic, relative motion only. I left up the topic.